Hello everyone, in this video we will be discussing about how to upload profile picture on Telegram. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. Here the first step we're going to take is open our Telegram app. After opening our Telegram app, here on the left hand side you'll be able to see your hamburger option. Tap on it. After tapping on hamburger option, you'll be able to see option settings, which is located between saved messages and invite friends. Here you'll have to tap on settings. After tapping on settings, right below your name, you'll be able to see a option set profile photo. Here you'll have to tap on it. After tapping on set profile photo, you'll get three options that will be tapped to allow access to your camera. This means that you can take a picture on the spot to set it as your profile picture. The second one is use an emoji. You can also use an emoji as your profile picture. And the third one is tap to allow access to your gallery. This simply means that you can choose one picture from your gallery. Now you can choose whether you want to take a picture on the spot or use an emoji or choose a picture from your gallery. Here I will be using an emoji. After that, here you'll be said allow Telegram to access photos and media on your device. Tap on allow. After tapping on emoji option, you'll get variety of emojis. Here you can choose one that you want to set as your profile picture. Here I will be choosing a emoji of a puppy. After you have chosen your preferred profile picture, tap on set profile photo. You'll have to wait for some time for your profile picture to be uploaded, and with that you'll be all done. However, if you want to choose your profile picture from your gallery, then you can click on this camera option that is located on the right hand side. Here you'll get access to all of your photos and videos from your gallery. Choose your preferred one and tap on the right mark. And with that, once again, you're all done. Those were two easy steps onto how to upload your profile picture on Telegram. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe.